So guys, how's it going? How's it going? Welcome to another episode of STX Bass Fishing. We're here gonna give it a shot, see if we can land on a good bass. Today with me is here my dad, my pop.
Hi.
And we're gonna see what we can land, so let's give it a go. Sí. Sí, no. Ahí está, ahí está. ¿Miro? Mira nomás. Se atoró. Ah, no, ahí viene, ahí viene. Ahí viene. Come on. Oh, man. It wants to get me tangled. Mira. Mira nomás, pa. Check it out, guys. First one of the day.
Qué hermoso está.
¿Verdad? ¿Está bien gordo? First one of the day. Come out. Yeah, boy. Look at that tummy. Look at that tummy. Look at this. So I caught this one on the chatterbait. Look, he has a hit there. Probably right now when he was dodging me, he got hit with a rock. Sorry about that, fella. So I caught him on this chatter. Check it out. Now let's let him go. Awesome catch. Está bueno, ¿verdad, pa? Thanks for that fight, buddy. Off you go. Call your mama. I want a bigger one. Tres. Hey, this está pesado. Ahí está. Oh yeah, dude. Look at it go. No. Look at it go, guys. Got that mouth full of swim bait. Oh man. Got that mouth full of chatterbait, I mean. Epa. Mira? Come on now. There you go. There it is, guys. The proof. You know what? ¿Está largo, pa?
Sí.
Woo! There it is, guys. Fat belly. Check that out. This thing recording. Wow! Let's put him back in the water. Sí. Milagro. Finally. It's recording. There it is, guys. Thanks for that fight, buddy. I want you to call your mama. Yeah. Hey. There it is, guys. Oh my god. There he is, there he is, there he is. There he is. Look at that. Oh no. Dang. Look at this. I had to look for this dude. I had to look for this guy. I had to look for this guy. I mean, look at that. It's a small bass, very, very small. But I mean, oh! But real fat. I mean, look at that. Look at that thing. Look at that thing. All right, let's let this guy go back in the water. Thanks for that fight, buddy. Solid. So I was here for a I was here for a couple of hours already, and no bites whatsoever. And as you can see in the video, you just gotta check, you know, in the structure. You just gotta check in the structure that's there, and you know, they might come out. Oh, got one finally, guys. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, I got one finally, and it was a dink. Oh my god, dude, that is so oh, thank god. Thank god, guys. Oh, not skunked. Not skunked. Hold up, let's go back. Hold up, dude, hold up. Not skunked. All right, got one.